Hello and welcome guys and welcome to this short vlog. And yes, for the first time in the history, Institute has given a note in your mark sheet. So for all the students who have qualified their CMA final, they can see one note in their mark sheet which reads as under, starting from December 2024 term, a system has been introduced to allot provisional membership number. So this is the concept of provisional membership number, and Institute has started this concept of granting provisional membership number to all the final passed out students. To obtain associate membership in due course, applicants must submit an application along with advance membership fee of 2000 plus applicable GST, which includes current entrance fee and associate membership fees for 1 year. So the concept is that all the students who have qualified their final examination, of course, both the groups, and have also completed all the required training, they need to apply for a provisional membership number, which they will receive merely in a few days, maybe, 2 days or 3 days. They will receive a provisional membership number because obtaining the final membership number takes little bit of time. Okay, say 15 days or 20 days or so. So this provisional number will be granted to you, and after that a proper associate number will be granted in due course, whereby all those checking of your papers, checking of your documents, checking of your application form, everything in detail will happen, and then the associate membership number will be granted to you. Initially, provisional membership number shall be granted to you. You have to pay a fees of 2000 rupees, which will be then adjusted in the entrance fee and the associate membership fee for 1 year. It will be adjusted over there. Now, this is the concept of provisional membership number, which has been introduced from December 2024 attempt onwards. Now, sir, why is this step taken? Not so clear, not so apparent. Why is this step taken? Why do CMA final students require a provisional membership number so soon? But to my mind, the idea is while filling the campus placement form, that is the PPOP form, the link of which is given over here. Okay, qualified CMA candidates for December 24 desirous for appearing in PPOP, that is the pre-placement orientation program, and campus placement may fill the online form. Last date of submission is 23rd February 2025. If you click this form, then you will go to the relevant form which is required to be filled. This is the PPOP form which is required to be filled in. So if I put any number over here, so I have number of one of the qualifieds. Okay, this is the registration form which looks like this, something like this. You have to fill in your personal details. You have to fill in details of your qualification. When did you qualify? 10th, 12th. You have to mention about your CMA final stage, interstage, when did you qualify. Everything needs to be filed in. If you have any rank, you have to fill in. Practical training experience you have to fill in. Other professional degree you have to fill in. Current experience details you have to fill in. Previous experience details you have to fill in. You have to fill in this entire form. Okay. Now over here, there is no requirement of putting in this provisional application, this provisional membership number. There's no requirement of putting it over here. But guys, to the best of my prediction, I think while you go to PPOP and you're attending your PPOP sessions, at that point in time, maybe the institute will mandate you to mention the provisional registration number. Because many a times what happens is you get placement from the institute side and students do not apply for membership number. They just skip applying for membership number because company doesn't want it. Wherever you're working, they don't want your membership number. So students generally skip applying for membership number. And that is the reason why probably, okay, and this is just an estimate, that in PPOP or in campus placement, this provisional membership number will be quoted everywhere. And that is how your PPOP and campus placement will work. I think so. Okay, that is the reason why the institute has taken this step of granting a provisional membership number. So of course, I feel that all the CMA qualified students should apply for this membership number, because I don't think in future you'll be able to give your campus if you don't have the membership number, and that is the reason why this has been applied. Even if you are allowed to give your campus placement, even then, guys, please apply for provisional membership number. It is a requirement that institute has done from December 2024 time. There's no harm in at least applying for it. So please apply it. So as soon as you click this particular field, you will get the desired window. You fill in your registration number over here, and this registration number is going to give you the details of what needs to be filled in. Okay, so I'll put a registration number which I have, and I'll show you what is the next window which comes up? Okay, so I filled in the registration number. Here I have to confirm who am I. I hereby declare, confirm that information displayed above is correct. I'm directed to this link. Click to pay provisional membership fee. So you need to pay the provisional membership fee. Soon as you click on this guys section, you'll get an interface like this where all your details are displayed. Okay, your name is displayed, your membership number is displayed in the term which you've qualified is displayed. Your Aadhaar number is required to be displayed. Your father's name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, everything is displayed on this particular page, and you need to fill in the details which are not given, because asterisks are marked on those items where you need to fill in. Okay, soon as you fill in these details of this entire form, and many details are there, guys, I would recommend you to fill in or even those details which are not mandatory. Okay, for example, residential address, you please fill in your residential address, because this will come as a your entire database will be updated using this particular form. So I would recommend, even if asterisk is not there, then also fill all these necessary details which are required by the institute. So fill all these details, and then you finally have to pay the fees of 2,000 rupees. 2,000 rupees is the fees, and 1,000, 2,360 including the GST is the fees. And this is how you'll pay. You'll tick on this particular button. It says that I've displayed two information, and this fee is non-refundable. There's an asterisk which says that in any circumstances do not pay again, either receipt generated or not. Error message is shown. Wait T plus 3 working days to update the same. So sometimes the membership fees is deducted, but you don't get a confirmation. So just wait for 3 days so that you get the confirmation. So then you tick on P1, and then probably your provisional membership number will reach you instantly within, say, a day or two, and then you can code that membership number in your PPOP or the campus placement. Wherever you are going, you can code that membership number, and that is practically the use of this particular membership number. So yes, provisional membership number is required to be obtained by all the CMA final qualified students if they want to appear in campus placement. That's what I feel, that it will be mandatory when you go to campus placement or PPOP. You have to code this at many occasions. Okay, not at this point in time, but later on it might be quoted. And this fees is what fees you have to pay for associate membership. It will be adjusted in that particular fee. So there's nothing like an additional fee which is being charged for you for provisional registration separately and associate membership fee separately. No separate fee is being charged from you. So yes, please update your provisional membership number, and if you have any intelligence on what is further use of this provisional membership number, you can update us in the comment section below, so that every CMA student can really take benefit of it. So yes, get ready for campus placement. Now is the time when we really need to brush up our skills, hone our knowledge, get back to our studies, and whatever course content we had, like direct taxation, indirect taxation, cost audit, etc., should again be back on our tips, because in the interviewer will bare minimum expect that you have reasonable knowledge of your entire syllabus. So yes, let's start working for our CMA placement. I'll be updating you on any relevant development. Till that time, all the very best and happy studying. Bye bye.